Should artificial intelligence have an ethical compass? This question might seem like a plot line ripped straight from a science fiction novel, but it's a real conundrum we're grappling with in today's rapidly evolving tech landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a distant concept. It's intertwined with our everyday lives, from the personalized recommendations on our streaming platforms to the virtual assistants in our pockets. As AI continues to advance and permeate various aspects of society, it becomes imperative to consider the ethical implications. We're not just talking about preventing a robot uprising, it's about ensuring AI systems respect human rights, privacy, and democratic values. It's about making sure these systems are transparent, accountable, and don't perpetuate harmful biases. The question of ethics in AI is not a mere philosophical musing. It's a practical necessity that demands our attention. The intersection of AI and ethics is not a hypothetical future scenario, it's happening right now. Consider the case of AI in hiring practices. In this real-life scenario, a leading tech company used an AI system to streamline their recruitment process. The system was designed to analyze applicant resumes, scoring them based on parameters set by human recruiters. These parameters were based on the company's past hiring decisions. Here's where the issue lies. The historical data used to train the AI was skewed, favoring resumes from male candidates because the tech industry has been historically male-dominated. Consequently, the AI system began to favor male applicants over females, effectively replicating and amplifying the gender bias that existed in the company's past hiring practices. This raises important ethical issues. For instance, is it fair to use a system that perpetuates existing biases? Shouldn't the recruitment process aim to correct these biases instead of reinforcing them? This case raises questions about the principles of fairness and discrimination in AI systems. Moreover, it highlights the responsibility of those developing and deploying AI. If the data used to train these systems is biased, the resulting AI models will inevitably be biased too. It's a classic case of garbage in, garbage out. The ethical implications are clear. AI can be a powerful tool in hiring, but without careful consideration and management, it can also lead to unfair outcomes and reinforce societal biases. This case illustrates how AI without ethical considerations can lead to unfair outcomes and reinforce societal biases. Now let's move to another case, AI in surveillance. Artificial intelligence has been a game-changer in surveillance systems. A notable instance of this is the use of facial recognition technology in public spaces. This AI-driven system identifies individuals by analyzing patterns based on facial textures and shapes. But while it's touted for its efficiency in maintaining public safety, it's also a hotbed of ethical controversies. Consider the citywide surveillance program in London where millions of faces are captured and analyzed daily. The system was designed to identify potential threats and maintain public order. However, this wide-net approach to surveillance has raised significant concerns about privacy and consent. In this scenario, every pedestrian becomes a subject of scrutiny without their explicit consent. The very act of walking down a street becomes an invitation for the AI system to invade personal privacy. This raises the question, where do we draw the line between public safety and personal privacy? Moreover, the accuracy of facial recognition technology is another ethical minefield. Inaccurate identification could lead to unwarranted harassment or even false accusations. This raises concerns about the right to fair treatment and the potential for misuse of AI technology. This case shows how AI, without ethical boundaries, can intrude on personal privacy and infringe on human rights. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, it's crucial that we navigate these ethical dilemmas with care and consideration. So, why does AI need to be ethical? Well, let's revisit our discussion. As we've seen in hiring practices, AI can unintentionally perpetuate biases, unfairly disadvantaging certain groups. In surveillance, AI can invade our privacy, violating our basic human rights. These are not mere hypotheticals but tangible harms that can occur when AI operates unchecked. But it's not all doom and gloom. With ethical considerations in place, AI can be a force for good. Fairness ensures that AI doesn't discriminate, providing equal opportunities for all. Transparency allows us to understand how AI makes decisions, fostering trust in the technology. Respect for human rights ensures that AI enhances rather than infringes upon our freedoms. In conclusion, ethical considerations in AI are not just desirable but essential. To ensure that AI benefits society, it must operate within ethical boundaries. It's not merely about creating smart machines but about creating machines that are just and fair. Thank you for watching our video on AI and ethics, the unseen dilemma. If you found this discussion enlightening, do give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested in these pressing issues. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. We have more videos and playlists on AI and ethics that you might find interesting. Check them out to deepen your understanding and join the conversation. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions on this topic. What do you think about the ethical implications of AI? Are there any specific areas you'd like us to cover in future videos? Leave your comments below and let's keep this important conversation going. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on AI and its implications. Until next time, keep questioning.